North Lanarkshire Council are providing improvements to the local recycling procedures that allow you to recycle more of your household waste. These changes have been introduced as a result of the Scottish Government raising the standards for recycling and creating specific targets for our communities. The amount of waste we send to landfill or dump sites must be reduced to within specified limits. If we exceed those limits, as a council we become liable to severe financial penalties. This means council tax revenue would be spent on paying those penalties rather than on continuing to improve our services to you and your community. North Lanarkshire Council is currently recycling at an impressive rate of 28%, a massive improvement from 2001 when all we managed to recycle was 1.3% of our domestic waste. As a community we have come a long way and done a fantastic job, but nationally all of us have been asked to raise our game. By 2010 the Scottish Government challenges all councils in the country to be recycling at a rate of 40%. If we each pitch in and make an effort, we will achieve our goal and, in doing so, create cleaner, safer, more sustainable communities. To address the recycling issue within flatted properties, the Council have invested in recycling nodes. The nodes allow up to 4 bins to be connected to a central point and accept various materials in each bin. The introduction of the nodes means that recycling at home is easier than ever before. In brief, the nodes will allow you to recycle your papers, cardboard, food and drinks cans, plastic bottles and food containers. Textiles. Reduce the amount of waste being placed in the bulk bins and sent to the landfill site. The nodes will become a familiar sight at flatted properties as the Council continue to improve recycling schemes. They will play a key role in getting an increased level of recyclable materials out flatted properties and into the recycling process. Each household in the flats will receive a blue box for clean recyclable materials. This will enable you to store the materials in your home before placing them into the nodes when suitable. The list of materials you can place in these includes paper, newspapers, magazines, etc. Cardboard, flattened. Food and drinks cans, rinsed and flattened if possible. Empty aerosol cans, drinks cartons, Tetra Pak type materials. Plastic food containers, yogurt, margarine, microwave meals, etc. Plastic bottles, rinsed and flattened if possible. Textiles. Please do not put plastic bags in the recycle bins as this causes problems later in the recycling process. It's important to note that much of what once went into your domestic waste bin can now be recycled. This decreases the amount of materials to go into the domestic waste bin. This means less rubbish being disposed of in our landfills and assists a sustainable environment. Charities benefit as well. Recycleforgood, a scheme set up by North Lanarkshire Council, donates money to selected charities according to how much material gets recycled in the authority. To date, £26,500 have been donated to St Andrew's Hospice, Children First, Help the Aged and the British Heart Foundation. The more we recycle, the more we can help. Some of the benefits include new node systems offer a catch-all container for a wider variety of recyclable materials. No interruption to your normal collection service. Environmental improvement by decreased dependency on landfills. Nominated Recycleforgood charities benefit from annual donations. The Council has been busy streamlining the recycling process to make it easier for people to access recycling facilities. Plans are underway to build 4 new recycling sites to augment the new sites at Coatbridge and Netherton, the refurbished site at Cumbernauld, and the other existing sites at Airdrie, Bellshill and Cleland. If you have any queries or concerns about the new recycling scheme, please visit our website at www.recycleforgood.org or phone the Northline helpline at 01698 403110. Operators are available from 8 AM to 6 PM Monday to Friday and 9 AM to 12 PM on Saturday to answer your queries.